Okay, you guys, the lighting is starting to change, so I think I'm gonna have to wrap this on up. Okay. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina. I run a blog and a YouTube called Style with Nina. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you are returning, you got great taste. On this channel, we talk about beauty, luxury, fashion, and travel. If any of those things interest you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into this video. Trying a new setup, and I was trying to do a split screen so you guys can see me unboxing whilst talking, but I think everything is tied. So if this works out, it does. If it doesn't. So on today's video, I'm going to bring you guys a fragrance unboxing. This is my latest fragrance that I have added to my luxury fragrance collection. I shot a fragrance video that was highly requested of all my current fragrances, and I was going to add it to this. I was going to add this to that video, but that video was already crazy long, so I decided that this fragrance needed its own video. It's that fabulous. So make sure my address ain't nowhere. Okay, so what is the fragrance that I purchased, you guys? I am so excited to add this to my collection. What is it? You already know because it's on the title, but boom, your girl finally got it. Finally got the Maison Francis Kurkdjian Paris Baccarat Rouge 540. I actually, long story short, there is a fragrance. So I bought this fragrance years ago, and there was another fragrance that I preferred at the time. So I returned it and got the other fragrance, and that fragrance is the Universals by MFK. I love that fragrance. So we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. So I went on what made me, I got so many fragrances, and I'll make sure to link the my fragrance collection video in the description box. But I got so many fragrances that it took me a minute to bite the bullet and get this one. I was kind of going back and forth. I still have a ton of samples of this fragrance. Like when I purchased my Universals Aqua Universals, I think is the name of it. When I purchased that one, my girl hooked me up, and I got so many samples of this that when I returned this one and got my Universals, since I was still dealing with the same girl, she just gave me a ton of samples. I mean, a ton of samples. And I'm getting low on my samples. I mean, I got, you know, a few, but I'm getting low. So this was actually on sale. It wasn't on sale, but Bloomingdale's was having a, I think 15% off or $25 off I can't remember. It was some type of sale, and on their beauty. And I also had a Bloomingdale's gift card. So I was like, you know what? I keep going back and forth. Let me just go ahead and bite the bullet. So your girl got it. So It's packaged very well. I will say I was going to buy this on the eBay. Oh, let me take it out of this. But I'm gonna just tell y'all, don't be buying no fragrances on no eBay. eBay, per my you know, my research, 99% of the fragrances on eBay be fake. So just, you know, it's a reason why it's $100 and some on eBay, and when the thing costs $300 and some. So because it ain't real. So I didn't want to take the chance. I wanted it from a reputable company, because this is a fragrance that is knocked off a lot. So I just waiting on the Bloomingdale's. So that is a tip, you guys. If you want a fragrance that, you know, costs a little bit more money than you want, wait and see. I know Bloomingdale's has the sale, Saks has the sale. They all have it like once a year. And also Nordstrom, where they'll have like 15% off, no exclusions. Those are the only 3 companies that I know sell this fragrance. But a lot of times this fragrance is sold out. So I jumped on it when I saw it was at the Bloomies. So let me show y'all that. I don't think this is recording, so I got the Baccarat Rouge. The reason why I went on and purchased this is because when I tell y'all the longevity of this fragrance, I have literally sprayed this on in the morning and smelt it on me the next day after bathing. You know what I'm saying? After I bathed or whatever, the next day it was still on. Like the longevity of this. So because of that, and that's how my other fragrance is, the Universals. Y'all want to see that one? I'm gonna go ahead and grab that one. I don't know what y'all seeing. Okay, so this is my favorite fragrance from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, MFK. This is my favorite scent. This is the scent that I purchased this first because this scent was recommended, and it was a lot cheaper when I bought it too. It was cheaper then because it was a couple years ago. But anyway, you know, she recommended it to me, but I just like this one. This is like my everyday scent. This is an everyday scent. This one would be like date night, sexy night. I'm going somewhere, I want the people to remember me scent. This is more everyday. I know this one costs, at the time, this one costs a little less than this. I don't know. Oh, that's cute. It probably do. You know why? Because this one got a little something behind it that you can see through. This one is definitely more decorative than this one. But this one, the longevity, this one will last you all day up until tomorrow. The reason why I hesitated on purchasing this was because it is now popular, and your girl, I don't know if you like this, but I'm like this. Stuff that's popular make me don't want it. I don't want to smell like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? I don't, that's kind of a turn off for me, but I ain't gonna lie, it's a fire fragrance. So I went on and bit the bullet, saved myself a few dollars. Of course, this will be linked in the description box. I don't think the sale is still going on, but I will say it's a recommendation for me because it lasts. Like this, you know, he's a perfume, what's the word? Perfumer, whatever the word is. He makes a lot of perfume for other fashion houses or whatever. So the dude know, he know what he's doing. So it's a, you know, good scent that lasts. So my battery is about to die, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Hopefully you enjoyed this fragrance. It's amazing. I would say if you're on the fence, you need to go ahead and get it. And if you're gonna get it, click the link in my description box and go ahead and get it. I mean, you might as well. Why not? All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. It came with some samples too. Came with some samples. So it came with Miss Dior sample. I can't see with my glasses on. I'm gonna just keep going until